Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com. I'm just making a video about gold just before FOMC. Right now it's 1:20 p.m. Eastern time, and FOMC is at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So usually FOMC, makes some change of direction. So need to be very careful. All right. So let's get started. By the way, this is my oil trade just closed here. From 40-minute chart. This is the entry, and here from 76.46 to 74.18. All right, so let's go take a look at the gold chart. This is the chart I made on the 14th January. We were here. I said somewhere from here to this either 78% or these couple of numbers here, 1965, 1959. That will stop the move, the up move, and then we're going to drop back to 1802, right? Or obviously we have a couple other numbers like 1848 and 1834, 1807, right? These numbers. And then this is a monthly number from there. So what happened to this chart is this. Well, actually, I made another chart when it went up a little bit more. You see that? On the 28th January. So still intact, same scenario, same analysis, same direction I was showing. And what happened to this chart is, as of now, is this. So you make the turn right from there, from very close to 1959, and then start to come down. And right now, as of today, it is here. Now we are facing FOMC, so it might drop here to 1802 and then go to the upside, or may go to the upside just above 1834. This is where it is sitting right now. You can read here 1833. So this is how exactly it is. Perfection, right? And let's see if 1834 holds, and right after the FOMC start to go up, this is where it's going to go, because this is one of those like harmonic pattern, Elliott wave count and all of that. But just want to just give you a little hint that, this is 78%, 38%, then it goes back to 127%. That's kind of like a fifth wave, or in harmonic pattern terms, it's a butterfly pattern. All right, so this is what I'm looking at. By the way, I also made, when it was on the top, I made this 80-minute chart. It's like wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is like starting a new wave, which is I had here 1 of 5, wave 5 going. We're gonna go up for wave 5 on the weekly chart. So this is 1, and then we will drop for wave 2. And this is also, you can see here that nice and clean, it came down very close. Right now it is sitting above 1834. So let's see FOMC, what will happen after that. Okay, so be very, very careful. Anything can happen, right? So analysis is one thing, but the thing is that main thing that moves the market is the fundies, right? So the news, and this is a big news, NFP, FOMC, CPI, all of those, GDP, red news, right? So they move the market. So this is one of them, a big news that can move the market. So be very, very careful. And I will be ready and to make my entry. I'll usually make my entries around from 40-minute chart or from 20-minute chart. It depends. Just like this one, this entry I took from US oil, and it from 40-minute chart. Okay, so this is it for now. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn how to do this, that, mumbo jumbo. So you go to my website. Where the heck is my website? Oh man, I just kind of like lost it. No, here, I had it open, right? So this is what the website is, and you can subscribe monthly, or you want to go to for one-on-one course. I have some openings right now. I just finished some. So you can sign up for one-on-one course. It's a 10-hour course online over Zoom with me, teaching you every single thing about not only about this strategy, but the whole forex market, the Elliott wave, money patterns, S&L level, trend line, this, that, you, me, whatever. Right. So this is where we stand right now. Weekly chart, and let's see what happened. Key numbers for now is 1834 and 1802. If we drop below 1834, we're dropping to 1802 and then bouncing. or we may bounce above 1834 as it is after the news. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.